In clerical job, your boss can assign you the task of creating invoice for the clients. In big companies, accountants make invoices, but in small businesses, a clerk or an office assistant perform these tasks. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple invoice for clients. Before creating the invoice, your employer will provide you the account details, in which the clients transfer the money. Remember, invoice is generally created on the business letterhead. So you can create the invoice, and print it on the company letterhead. Or, you can also get the letterhead in Word format from your employer, and create the invoice on the letterhead, directly on computer. Let's start making invoice. Write, invoice, at the top middle of the page, then type, name of your company registration number, and invoice reference number. Ask your employer about invoice reference number. Give 1 or 2 line space, and then write to, client's name, or client's business name. Put date on right side. Write amount payable for the service, and then write exact amount. Type, please pay the invoice in the below mentioned account. Now write all valid bank account details of your employer, or company. Write, thanks, at the end of invoice. This is how you can create a simple invoice for the clients. Convert this invoice to PDF before sending it to the client. If you find this video useful, then please like the video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel so you could get the notification of more such videos. Thanks for watching.